Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the tea? Siyahlazia. Again on Team Omotoso. Hello, Babalo. He is rotting, this guy. I've never seen anything like this. You leave your country and come to South Africa and do this to our small girls. How dare you? Like, no, lo Babalo. Young got this a shame. Team name went as far as recruiting other closer girls to do this filth for him. And the Mali, there's nothing else that he promised them. He was initially arrested with his two co-accused for 63 charges of sexual assault again, obviously. I mean, money, laundering, racketeering, and human trafficking. Guys, these guys will laugh these small children and say, Omotoso will take care of you. We're going to traveling to Israel. Busy the girls like Cheryl Zondi was assaulted by Omotoso many times as far as like she was about 13, 14 when she started. You 13 or 14 years up, like are you for real? And he busy this Doberman guy who busy abusing this Lewimbuzimbuz. You'll be going to that. I wanted to start with 13 or 14 years. He abused Lobab. Cheryl has been crying and emotional throughout her testimony about this guy. She was in the choir, right? So you know how it is, we choir and she thought Omotoso will help her get ahead with a career as a singer, basically a gospel singer. So after looking at busy assault her, wahamba, yes. And then she came back when she was 19 because she says she missed another girl and she also wanted to continue singing. Some other lady, Vicky, called her back saying Omotoso had changed, but she did not see the change. Omotoso continued bambering them, all sorts of things. He would hit their buttocks. You guys, something skimpy, with this tingling thing. I libele into yakitting. Are you for real? This Doberman guy is busy asking her, yeah, so why did you come back here when you were 19? No, I should know and he would apologize to me and he will be remorseful. Oh, Omotoso wasn't remorseful at all, but he won't, because instead Omotoso said to her, I have forgiven you. Guys, for the allegations of telling people I'm sexual assaulter, I'm sexually assaulting you, basically. So all those allegations, I mean, really, guys, I don't know what the hold this guy had on these children. Please. This guy ngicela nje ukuthi sisizakale ngaye ngeke afanele abolele ejele like uyangikhathaza. What instead I have forgiven you? Are you like for real? Guys, forgive for what? Ukhohlakele. The sexual assault again continued with oral sex. On Omotoso had some hold on this girl. Like I'm saying, he has some hold on the mangas. What it is. This girl finally ran away. And the defense of Peter Doberman was still saying, he's like, why did you go back? Guys, this is right. And he keeps on saying, penetrate Omotoso. But my thing is that can they do they know? Right? And you actually it started in 2010. Omotoso wasn't staying in that house in 2010. So you basically are lying. Guys, I'm at 62 counts. Why would we be lying with 62 counts? This guy must find a jail. I don't even want to know. And because also, most people who were just talking about this thing, they were like, no, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter at the end of the day why you're business for years. And you're 13, bolele jail. Is not even 16, 17. Ulela 13 without their consent and their parents' consent. Like for real, uthathe advantage uhlukumezana ney'ngane zethu. No, that's just wrong, guys. The most important thing here, assault. At the end of the day, why busy abusing gun? Nonetheless, it doesn't matter. It's not that. What nje ukuthi why him abuse? And this guy finally abolele jail for violating these young girls. Udoberman is busy saying, "Are you busy contradicting your staff?" Before wawukade ubhale ukuthi nje hayi nje kwakuyi-oral sex wayithintathinta futhi that's all manje ushintshile ingane no-13 years elaphi leyo nto. That's just my question every time. So guys, nani-issue bakwethu ayingayekwa le nto ka-Omotoso because also the things that he says about us futhi as South Africans kuzobe kuthiwa futhi xenophobic and lo muntu akekho right. Mina ngokwami fanele ahlala ejelela kubo. That's just my thing, mina. Just explain ukuthi she went back, she missed the fellowship at church, and then there's another girl that she missed. I did mention that that's another reason why she came back, and then also she feared for to Omotoso because he is well connected in the church. There was also so-called gangsters, the reformed gangsters bazana esontweni bazosonta. I'm sure promising imali esingadeni bama-bodyguard akekho umuntu ozongithinta ngoba vele he used to promise these children ukuthi la mako wakhuluma ngoba he will call them in his room akhumule like strip naked. This guy athi ingane zingithinta. Are you like serious? Ayukhohlele sho ayubolini like uvela ngiqeda amandla mina Omotoso went as far as saying in the church the only way South Africans learn is through death. Ikhona into enjalo mara guys. Are you like for real? Ngicela ukuthi nani ni comment nga this guy. And then why well connected namaphoyisa. I did mention in this first video ukuthi ngathi unamaphoyisa. At this point well connected noma you're not well connected, I don't care. Ngicela uhlale ejele for the rest of your life. That's all I know. We are rapist, uye yonke into. Uyantshontsha, human trafficking, like crazy things. Akekho right. And he's been in this country with such an old man, disgusting. Mina I'm even saying akahamba ayoboshelwa kubo. Akangahlali nje la le country ethu ngoba usabhizi ucontrol abantu, manipulating even these two girls zakhe aboshwe nazo, the co-accused. Usaba because he's still controlling them, manipulating them, tell them do that, it's don't do that. You understand? Cheryl shame ibuhlungu into yakhe, guys. He was afraid nje uCheryl ukuthi you know what, he was gonna destroy my life, kill my mother, kill me. Ngimsaba. Ingane samsaba to this day. This child has been crying throughout this whole testimony yakhe ekhaya and breaking down and bursting into tears, but even during breaks she will be crying and crying like really bro. She's not lying. 652 accounts awukamba manka basazovela nabanye abasho. And ngaleso sikhathi ke khona laba ke ababrainwashile, you know those ones at church will be standing outside. Khiphani ubaba wethu. I saw the placards. Actually, I want those placards ngifuna ukubonisa zona. Khiphani ubaba wethu Timothy Omotoso lalele akahlala ejele wababa. Don't even want to know. He's so disgusting. He's the most disgusting person I know. Baba mdala kangaka, and ingane they will put their trust in him, but baba all right, it's gonna take care of us. Ebatshela nanokuthi, I even said in my first video, ebatshela nanokuthi you're going to Israel. Have you ever been on a flight? Have you ever been on a plane? I mean, really guys, how gaslighting like is that? Like basic gaslighting people babukela phansi abantu ubona ukuthi they will never achieve these things, these girls, for themselves. Ngapho when busy violating them, uyaba abuse, uyaba control, ebenza all sorts of things. Akekho right. Akahlale ejele. Ngitsheleni nani please guys, you need to thinking. Ngoba niyamazi ukuthi ukhuluma nangathi kanjani lo. Akabuyele kubo. Thank you so much guys for watching my channel and the views. I really appreciate your generosity with the views. Thank you.